My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger here at Fredrik's Fika in Sweden. And today we're gonna do a real Swedish fika classic. Swedish Sticky Chocolate Cake. Or as we say in Sweden, kladdkaka. This recipe is really easy. You just do everything in a large saucepan. The recipe is down here in the description. I will do this recipe in grams, cause most scales can do both ounces and grams. Line a baking tin with baking paper in the bottom, brush the sides with butter and powder with cocoa. Set the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt the butter, add caster sugar, cocoa powder, salt, eggs and all-purpose flour. Bake the cake for about 18 minutes and it should not bake all the way through. It should be quite wobbly in the middle. Then you take it out, put it in the fridge and let it set for about 1 hour. Swedish Sticky Chocolate Cake. This is the best. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like more Swedish fika, they will follow after this one. The best part of baking, eating. Mmm.